In the previous episode of Nashville by that old mill. Life ain't cheap, you gotta buy on dollar bills. Yes, you do. In the previous episode of Nashville by that old mill. Old school, new school, fueled by Johnny Rules. Now Raina's grayer. She's making space for a younger play. And Deacon's reason is the weekend as the season plays out Julia Barnes. She plays her songs. You better play with class or she'll fire you. In the previous episode of Nashville by that old back road, you never heard a story like this being ever told. No, you haven't.
It's a great pleasure to be here at the Jacaranda Children's Home.
We are so blessed to be doing what we are at our age.
Hier kom honderde, amper duisende mense in. So 'n man moet nou sharp lyk vanaand.
Of course, the main purpose of us being here is to just assist less fortunate people. And believe me, I'm so happy to be part of it.
Ons probeer altyd ook maar net 'n push gee in 'n mens se lewe, laat hulle 'n bietjie ook goed voel, laat hulle ook geniet wat aangaan in die lewe.
Christmas time is a time about Christ. So therefore, the band No Deposit, No Return also speaks about no deposit, no return. You don't put anything in, you're not going to get anything out. Christ came and he gave the best he could give so we can get.
Cause you never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done.
But oh, Mama said you don't say it too. Oh, Daddy still won't approve.
Tiny bubble, so divine, make me happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubble, make me glad all over, with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time.
I'm gonna put on my walking shoes tonight. I'm leaving here 'cause you don't treat me right. All you do is make me cry. Now I'm gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna put on my walking shoes tonight.
You're my green-eyed angel. Somebody loves me, I know. You're my green-eyed angel. I'm holding heaven here below.
We'll sit down at the table and thank God in prayer, 'cause we had plenty to eat and plenty to wear. We had patches on our breeches, but Mama kept us neat to keep food on the table and shoes on our feet.
Whoa, whoa, voeten roept is jouw zoek hier langs mij. Voeten roept is jouw zoek vanavond. Whoa, whoa, voeten roept is al mij niet hier niet. Voeten roept en kan mij niet hier niet. Rondpad, dierpad, kom ons bij die langpad samen.
Hallo, ek is Tony en ek is Harry van die Campbells. Ons ondersteun die Jacaranda kinder, hy is fees en check al die mense wat vanaand gekom het. Wat het julle gedink? Voet in die hoek, jy sal my nie keer nie. Voet in die hoek, ek kan my nie beheer nie. Grondpad, dierpad, kom ons by die langpad saam. Herendal, die Citrusdam, vergery tot Ottoesdal, tot by jou.